What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show, and in today's video I want to go over the lip line when it comes to the mustache and adjusting the length when it comes to the upper lip. Now this is very important, especially if you're growing out your mustache into that handlebar shape that I'm doing. The biggest problem or the issue that I had is the top part of the hair coming down and meeting the bottom of the lip, and that's the most longest when it comes to the duration of the growth. So once I've hit that hurdle, I'm actually gonna start maintaining and sharpening up that lip line by trimming up this bottom section under my mustache, which kind of has a calic of growing under like a walrus. So what I want to do is I want to get out the boar bristle brush. We're going to shape it. We're going to find out where the calic of the mustache lays, and then we're going to trim around it. So let's get those out and let's start trimming. All right, so for this one, we're going to be using the barrel brush and the clippers. For the start, we want to use the brush and push it out to where we like to style the mustache. So I almost want to be putting it where we're going to be getting ready to put in the wax, and then we're going to find out where the calic stays, and we're going to trim that up. All right, so I'll come in a little closer, and as you guys can see, about right here is where things kind of get a little shady. And when we put in the mustache wax, that'll bring everything together, but right off the bat, I already know, and I can see that right here just needs a little bit of a cleanup, and then after that, everything should be sharp, dressed man. Now, how I like to style my mustache, I like it coming down a little bit here and then coming back up with a little bit of a handle where I don't want to go too deep. So I want to just trim this up just a little bit right here. And then I want to hit this spot right here. Very small movements. No big movements, because you're gonna chop off your mustache. All right, same with the other side. All right, two things to follow with that is one, the angle of our clippers. Just depending on our angle of our lip, that's what I like to match up with my mustache. Now, as my mustache is going over my upper lip, the second that we have to watch out for is that natural lay. So when I'm trimming, I like to match up my lips as I'm trimming, but also we have to let the lip hang natural. So you have a difference from closing it to a natural. You want to do that so you're not cutting while your mustache is flexed. I say that because we've all seen that video where that woman puts out her bangs and she cuts it and they're all uneven. That's because she's pulling out her hair where they're all different lengths. We need to have it as it naturally lays, and then that's how we cut across to get that even line, and it's the same with the clippers and the mustache. And just like that, everything turned out even and straight, and that's why I want to say attention to that upper lip and that detail of that line. We want to make sure that the lay is natural and not flexed, so that way when we put in our mustache wax and we style it out, everything's coming into a cohesive look. And you guys know that's how I always like to keep it. Nice, tight, and really sharp. Especially with this new one that I'm going with, I like this painter's goatee, keeping it nice and trimmed off on the sides. Got a nice look going on. So we're gonna keep riding with it. Definitely enjoying the vibes right now. Things are really going good. Definitely digging life right now. So just want to say thanks for coming along. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, all that junk. Have a great one. I'll see you guys on the flip side. See ya.